Now that we have the inspection all worked out and you are planning to move forward, I want to make sure that you know how important it is to stay on top of turning in everything that your lender needs as soon as possible. Your earnest money is typically protected by financing and appraisal contingencies, which means that you should have plenty of time to get everything done and remain protected. But if you miss deadlines or you delay the process, that protection could expire and you could be at risk for losing your earnest money and the house, which we obviously don't want. So what kind of paperwork should you be prepared for? Here are a few common documents that your lender might ask you for during underwriting. You may have already turned in most of these when you were getting pre-approved, but occasionally the lender is going to need updates or clarifications on additional items that might have changed since your pre-approval. First thing to be aware of is they might need some tax returns or W-2s, usually from the last 2 years if you haven't turned those in. They also might need recent pay stubs, typically from the last 30 or 60 days, especially if you have a job that varies in income. Bank statements are typically needed to verify funds for your down payment and closing costs to make sure you haven't spent what you previously showed that you had available. They might need proof of large deposits, and your lender is going to need to know where the money came from. They also might ask for a gift letter if someone is helping you with your down payment. They might ask for proof of employment, or they might reach out to your employer directly. They're also going to ask you about any additional debt documentation, like if you have a car loan, a student loan, or credit card balance that they need an updated amount for. The sooner that you get these documents turned in, the smoother everything will go. If your lender reaches out asking for anything, don't wait. Get it to them as quickly as possible so we don't run into delays. If you ever have any questions about what your lender is asking for, or you're worried about a deadline, let me know. I'm here to make sure that everything stays on track so that we can get you to closing without any surprises.